Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video for Wednesday, November 22nd. It is Thanksgiving Eve, and the weather office is nice and quiet. How long will it last? Let's check things out today. There's the water vapor satellite view. New trough over the eastern states, pulling down a reinforcing surge of cool, dry air today. And we're starting to feel it. Birmingham down to 37. Fort Payne at the freezing mark as this day begins. And we'll expect a high back in the upper 50s in most spots today. And around the nation, travelers, check it out, very cold up over parts of North Dakota, Minnesota. They're in the single digits early this morning. But the bottom line is hard to find any real warmth across the nation today. But here's the thing we can be thankful for. It's quiet. That's the watch warning map. And typically somewhere on Thanksgiving Eve, we've got a major storm, but not this year. A little bit of fog east of the state for parts of the Carolinas and Georgia. Some wind issues in pockets of Montana and Wyoming. And really, that's about it. Up in far the northwestern corner of the country, western Washington state, some heavy rain. And that's really the main issue today is that flash flood threat there. Severe weather? No, not happening today. Maybe some thunder for the Florida Peninsula. Rain? No, not for the next 7 days for Alabama. Look at that. Again, some good rains well to the south and east of here, places like Jacksonville, Tampa Bay, Orlando, Daytona Beach. And again, the heaviest in the country is back in the northwestern corner of the nation. Seattle and Portland, places like that. Tropics, nothing happening as we were wrapping up this hurricane season here in 8 days. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, noon today. This is the 06C run at 500 millibars, troughing over the east. And a sunny day and a bit cooler with highs in the upper 50s. And again, for travelers, check out your destination. We do note some snow possible for parts of the northeastern states, rain closer to the New England coast. Raining in places like Boston, New York City today. And again, some rain back in the Pacific Northwest. But generally speaking, it's just quiet. Most of the big airport hubs will be fine. Thanksgiving Day for us, sunny. We start the day around freezing, the high around 60. We note that little surface low in the Gulf. That'll bring some rain to the Florida Peninsula, not the Panhandle, but the Peninsula. And again, wet in the far northwestern corner of the country. Black Friday, we're quiet. Lows in the 30s, highs in the 60s. An Iron Bowl Saturday. What a day. Mostly sunny with a high in the middle 60s. Wow. Picture-perfect weather for the biggest football game of the year in the state. Again, wet back in the Pacific Northwest and some light rain up in New England. And Sunday, this is a travel day for many as they come back home. And again, it's quiet. Big old high sitting over St. Louis. And we should be a little cooler with that dropping southward. Sunday, the high here probably dropping back in the 50s. And we'll go to Monday. The surface highs on top of us. We'll probably see a freeze Monday morning. And the high Monday should be in the 60s. And snow develops back to the northwest and the some of the mountainous states out west. Tuesday, still dry, and Wednesday, a week from today, is a zonal flow. And again, it's a dry air mass, and a cold front comes through Wednesday evening in dry fashion. Maybe some sprinkles in Tennessee, but just looks dry for us. And we'll see another shot of dry air for the end of next week. We'll keep on going here. This is Friday, December 1st, the end of next week. Again, a zonal flow, a dry air mass. Here's the QPF, the rain for the next 10 days. Most of Alabama, nothing. So our next rain here is going to be sometime in the month of December. And the numbers, not too far from averages. Highs in the 50s and 60s and lows in the 30s and 40s for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We are on a holiday schedule, so one video per day through Sunday. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.